Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to Quizlet and how to sign up for Quizlet, how to find our class in Quizlet, and how to create Quizlet flashcards. So first of all, go to Google and type in Quizlet, and you should find this is the first thing that shows up. It's a very popular website, so it should be at the top. You will need to click on Sign Up. If you click on Sign Up, you'll get a page like this, Quizlet Sign Up, create an account. Put in your username, an email that you're likely to check regularly. So if that's your UTAS email, put that in here. And don't forget to write down your password somewhere, because you will forget it if you don't write it down somewhere. The birthday, you do need to put this in, but it just needs to check that you are over 18. So don't put in your real birthday, because that's kind of private information. Just say that, January the 1st, and make sure that it's 1999 or whatever, so that you're over 18. And when you've done that, click on I accept Quizlet's terms of service and sign up. It's all free. Once you've signed up, you should go into your account, and it should look something like this. You can see that I've already signed up, and my account has its own picture. You can put a picture in there by going to settings up here, click on that and go to settings, and you can change your picture and everything else. The other thing you need to do is you need to find our classroom. So whatever course you're doing, there are various classrooms available. Whichever one you need, you go to search, like this, click search, and then type in what you're looking for. So for example, if you're looking for UTAS Access 5, that's the course you're doing, then press on the return button, and that will go searching for that, and then you'll get some options. So we don't actually want the study sets this time, we want classes. So I'll just click on this tab, and you can see that the top return for my search is UTAS Access 5, and that's what I want to join. So click on that, and it will ask you, I'm already a member, so it's just taken me straight in, but if you do click on that, it will give you an option to request to join. Now, I do have to, as the teacher in charge of that classroom, I do have to accept you, so it might take half a day to get that sorted out, but the next day you should be a member, and you should be able to get in. Once you are a member, now you can start creating Quizlet flashcards. So what you want to do is you want to go to your classroom, UTAS Access 5, which looks like this, and you can see here is the flashcard set that already is created, that you can use that to play games and to start straight away to play, to start learning sublist 1, for example, or sublist whatever it is that you're doing. But to create new flashcards, you'll need to click on the newly created half-empty set of cards, and you can see this one, AWL1, there's only 3 terms in it, so that's the one I want. So if I just click on that, it should go here. Now, if I've set it up correctly, this should be available to edit. You should be able to click here, and it will allow you to edit the set. Once the the set is in edit mode, you can see that you can change the spelling, you can add new words, and you can add new cards. So let's add a new card. So analysis approach. How about contract? That's an AWL1 word. Now, how do I proceed? So once you've actually put the word, the AWL word in, all you'll need to do is get the computer to automatically find you a definition. So the definitions are actually over here. So if I click on this, you can see it finds definitions for that word, whatever it is I put it in. And there's a lot of options, so you can scroll down and find the one that you like the best. Contract is to draw together and reduce in size. Well, that's true, but it's also an agreement between 2 or more parties. And so it's actually both of those meanings. I wonder if there's a definition that has both of those meanings. Nope, not really. There isn't one with both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that one as the first definition, and then I'm going to draw together. Where is it? Draw together or reduce in size. Is that one? See? And I've added 2 definitions. So an agreement between 2 people is enforceable in court, and I'll type in or, to draw together or to reduce in size. So it's both of those things. All right, now I've finished the definition. Now I want to add a picture. You can see that you can add pictures here as well, which I think is very useful and kind of fun. So if you click on the picture button, you'll get some options for the picture too. So I want contract, which is to get smaller, and it's also to sign a document that two parties agree on. So that looks like a good one for contract. That's that kind of contract, of course. Different meanings. You have to pick one of the meanings. You can't do both. Here it's showing a muscle contracting, getting smaller. So no, I like the first one. I'm going to go with a contract that you sign. Oh, I've lost it. Where's it gone? Oh, I like that first one. It's disappeared. That one? There we go. So I've added a new card, contract. Now, the last thing I want you to do before you sign off, can you see that the first card I've created, I've named Chris at the end? That's because I made it. So I'm going to write Chris on the end of that one because I made that one. And I'm going to write Chris on the end of this one because I made that one too. So 3 cards made by Chris. When you add another one by clicking plus down here and you create another card, make sure that you finish it off by telling me who made that card. All right, and then once you've done all of the cards that you want to, you come over here to done, and it should save. Yeah, there it is, contract. So it's saved away safely, and now I can go and play. I can do flashcards, I can learn, I can spell, I can do a test. So the last thing I'll show you is I'll go back out to the top level of Access 5, and I will just quickly show you how to play a test. So this is probably what you'll want to do your test on, the UTAS sublist that I've put on for you. So click on that and you click on test. Now automatically it just creates a test for you, but don't start straight away because I have some requirements. I want you to do a particular kind of test. So click on options. I only want you to do a quiz test that has written and matching questions. Don't choose those two. So click those two and they'll be taken away. I want you to start with the definition. Yes, that's the right kind of quiz. I want 20 questions. Absolutely. I want you to show images. Yes, so don't change anything else. The only thing you need to change is tick there and then create a new test. Okay, now I do the test. So if I answer these questions, I will need to type in the answer there, blah, 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 and type in the answer here, blah, 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 and so on and so on and so on. And all of these answers I answer. Here's a matching one. So create is A, B, C, or D. So I'm going to go with, I don't know, that's maybe A, and that's B, and that's D, and so on. So I put in all the answers I'm happy with. Okay, and once I've answered all the questions, 20 questions in all, I go to the bottom of here, check answers. I totally failed. So my score is 0. Now, if you get 100% here, or you get 90% or 70%, I want you to take a copy of this. Take a picture. How do you do that? Well, if you're using a computer, you can press print screen. Print screen is down on your keyboard and it's right along the top. So if you don't know where print screen is or how to use print screen, ask your friends. I'm just going to do a print screen right now. So I just press one button, print screen, and I've just pressed it. And then what you need to do is you need to open up a program such as PowerPoint. And I'm just opening up PowerPoint. Here we are. So here's I'm going to press print screen, go back there. Hey, it worked. There we go. So if you print that, paste that onto, say, for example, PowerPoint, you'll get an image. And there's the image of my test. And then you can save picture as, picture. And then you save it on your desktop or documents or wherever. It doesn't matter what you call it. I'll call it picture 1. Save. And then you go to your desktop and you post that document, you post this picture onto Edmodo, and I will give you some points for it. Okay, that's it. Good luck.